animal sugar.
More sugar.
Get the sugar in there now.
Let's see this around the circle. Let me see this. And let's see this.
Don't blow them out.
They spark. Or they should spark. Oh no. Okay. Alright, ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Owen. Happy volcano birthday to you.
You blow them out.
Whoa.
Gotta try again. Tricky ones. Yay!
Oh yeah.
Wait, it's not over.
Let's make sure. Okay, now. You guys ready for the next part of this? Yeah.
Owen has an announcement. What is your idea?
We're gonna smoke it.
Oh yeah, baby! We're gonna smoke it. Elsa, oh yeah.
You gotta stay back though, because I would feel really bad if something.
Yeah, no, seriously.
Okay.
This is gonna blow.
Yeah.
Can I stay near it? Look at it.
The dry ice.
Watch out.
It's dry ice.
We need more.
It's gonna put way out at the bottom.
Hang on. Wait,
Wait
for
for
it.
it.
Don't touch it. Don't touch
Wait
it.
for it.
Real hot.
Get back to you, Bob.
Don't think that's true.
This is really exciting.
Real hot.
What's gonna happen?
Look at the lava.
Ready?
Yeah.
This might be a viral video.
Whoa.
Whoa. Wow.
That's the next stage. What did
I
we?
put
Isn't that cool, guys?
It's gonna blow up in the next stage. Up in the next age.
What do you think, Owen?
Don't stick
It's
your
gonna
finger
blow up in the
Yeah.
next
No,
age.
guys, no.
Or decade.
Ericus, don't. Eric's trying to take a picture of
Better
it.
tell those dinosaurs to watch out.
This is how it all ends, guys.
The volcano.
It's the Lost Island.
Boy should kill the dinosaur.
That's beautiful.
Look at the lava coming down the floor.
Cool.
That
That's
is beautiful.
amazing.
It's erupting. Hey, it's erupting.
What do you think, bud? It's gonna come. It's gonna do more in a minute. We'll let it stop smoking. It might smoke for like 10 minutes. So we'll just...
Wait.
Shut up.
See if this works.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't think so.
It's on the video I
Whoa.
get to take. I just used it up.
Whoa.
This is a lava.
Is it
Coming over. I need to do that. See if that'll make it go.
There he goes, the possum.
Whoa!
That's some serious ice.
Whoa!
Oh. It's gonna bubble over already.
That's awesome.
That's so cool.
How is it gonna go down the mountain?
I don't know if it is.
Stop it!
Yeah.
Oh no.
It does. I don't know if
It's
coming
poofing. Look at the smoke. The smoke's going down the mountain.
Oh, that's gonna blow.
Boom.
over. My test worked a little
Oh,
differently.
this is
This
awesome.
is great.
So
No,
really
no,
cool.
this is great.
Oh my
Go.
goodness.
Even when it's going to explode in my eyes.
That would be terrible.
That was the plan.
Yeah.
I also have to do
It'll be that story about
Probably not gonna happen
how a whole
now.
family died from eating dry ice.
We got an insurance policy just for that.
Can
I
drop my quarter in there?
I'm fine. I'll
Can
go.
I drop a quarter in
Elsa wants you
there?
to hold her so she can look at it better.
You're gonna see it closer?
Maybe a quarter will make it explode.
Are you tied in?
Yeah.
Are you tied in? That's
Some
awesome.
more lava. Throw some lemonade in there. Throw lemonade in there. Oh,
Let's see what lemonade
Stand
looks
here and
like.
see
The
what
way the
I'm thinking.
bubbles pop and like smoke puffs out.
Do you
That's
see it?
so cool.
This is
I
the
need more dry ice. I might have just
Do you not see?
Get dry ice. Let's put a quarter in there. Another one.
Let's make it scream
And
again.
if we can find a way to do this safely, we thought this could be the party activity because we have 5 pounds of dry ice.
Oh
That
yeah.
was the minimum.
Uh-oh.
Just having your finger, it's fine. Darn, I'm
You would totally get me. I would totally get me.
Okay.
You can.
It's It's not gonna make it.
Ooh.
Kablooey!
They're plopping up.
That's awesome. Oh my.